A judge in Austin is expected to decide by the end of the week whether to block the state's planned takeover of the Beaumont School District.
Attorneys for the Texas Education Agency and BISD spent most of Tuesday in a Travis County courtroom arguing their cases. Texas Education Commissioner Michael Williams wants to install a board of managers and replace the superintendent to end what he calls mismanagement and a loss of public trust in the district. KFDM's Leslie Rangel has been in Austin since Monday. She covered today's temporary injunction hearing and has reaction in this new Nightside report.
Yes, it was a long day of testimony between BISD and TEA, one arguing how the Board of Managers was announced, the other why it was announced. Now, the TEA wouldn't comment until the judge makes a decision on the injunction, but we spoke to a few people who were very vocal about today's hearing. The court hearing began Tuesday morning with BISD attorney Chris Tritico first up. His argument, Commissioner Mike Williams didn't follow the Texas Education Code when he decided to replace school trustees with a board of managers.
That's the problem. Had he used those provisions, the argument would be totally different today. But those provisions that they cited, he did not give us notice that he was operating under, and he still hasn't.
The education agency focused on the why, not the how. Its attorneys argued a board of managers is needed to stop the financial bleeding. Student supporters who traveled to Austin for the hearing agree.
Maybe someone else does need to take charge if, many problems have been still unsettled.
But according to BISD attorney, a new board of managers would rob BISD voters of their freedom of choice.
The disenfranchisement of the voters is removing a lawfully elected school board, which they are, even though they're held over, and replacing them with the commissioner's own selected people.
Students disagree.
Just because someone needs to fix it by now. It should have been fixed, and it's not.
They're just not, following the rules, which are supposed to help.
The lead attorney representing BISD agrees. He says it's the state that's not doing things by the book.
All the other stuff that we talked about really is superfluous to the real issue. The commissioner violated the law. And if the judge agrees, and I think he will, then he should grant it.
A decision in the hands of a judge weighing legal arguments from the state and the school district. Students arguing that BISD attorneys are missing the big picture.
They weren't really thinking about this, they were thinking more of
legal.
Yeah,
their clients? Yes, trying to please their clients.
The judge told us before he left the courtroom he expects to have a decision by the end of the week. Stay with us on air and online as information develops. Reporting in Austin at the Travis County Courthouse, Leslie Rangel, KFDM 6 News.
And a reminder, stay with KFDM News for continuing coverage of the Beaumont School District.